Welcome to Module 5. In this section, we'll cover the basics of Google Ads, a critical tool for businesses to reach potential customers actively searching for their products or services online. Google Ads enables businesses to display ads on Google's search engine results page and other partner sites. The beauty of this platform is that it targets users who are already searching for what you offer. Google Ads offers precise targeting options and lets you control your advertising budget. Unlike organic SEO, the results from Google Ads are immediate, making it ideal for quick campaigns. Next, we'll explore how to create an effective ad campaign on Google Ads. This process involves defining your goals, selecting the right keywords, and designing compelling ads. The first step in setting up a campaign is defining your goals. Do you want to drive traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Next, select the campaign type and bidding strategy that aligns with your objectives. Keywords are the foundation of any Google Ads campaign. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you identify terms that potential customers are searching for. Organizing your campaign into ad groups allows you to target specific keywords more effectively. Each group should have relevant ads and landing pages to improve performance. Writing compelling ads is crucial. Focus on your unique selling points and ensure the ad copy includes clear calls to action that prompt users to click. Finally, let's discuss how to measure and optimize the performance of your Google Ads campaigns. Regular analysis helps you refine your strategy and maximize ROI. Metrics like CTR and quality score help you gauge the effectiveness of your ads. Conversion rates are particularly important as they measure the return on your investment. Tools like the Google Ads dashboard and Google Analytics provide valuable insights into your campaign performance. A/B testing is also essential for refining your ad strategy. To optimize your campaigns, focus on refining keywords, adjusting bids, and improving the quality of your landing pages. These steps will enhance your ad performance. Common mistakes in Google Ads include overbidding, ignoring negative keywords, and failing to track conversions. Avoiding these issues ensures you get the most value from your campaigns. Here's an example of a successful campaign. A local electronics store used Google Ads to promote seasonal discounts on laptops, resulting in a significant boost in sales. In this module, we've covered the fundamentals of Google Ads, how to create campaigns, and ways to measure and optimize performance. With these strategies, you can run successful SEM campaigns for your business.